So my friend, GPT-5, ChatGPT launched their new latest update version, which is GPT-5, and previous was GPT-4. And you will be surprised that what I will show you in this video. And if you don't use this GPT-5, then you will lost this dropshipping game. Okay, you will lose, definitely lost, because lot of big dropshipper, they are using this opportunity. So why you will not use? And if you follow my video exactly step by step how to use GPT-5, then I can definitely guarantee you, you can also make your dropshipping business more profitable, more faster. Okay, so first of all, that this is the entire dashboard of GPT-5, and I will show you a very surprising things that you will be shocked. So this is the GPT-5 prompt bank. Use this to create content fast. Use this exact prompt, swap product niche and input. So GPT-5 gave me a prompt formula that how you can find a product, because to, to success in dropshipping, product finding is very important. So he told me that first you have to find a good product, and for the product, this is the prompt he gave me, the green line. Okay, and just copy this and add, and then I have pasted on my another ChatGPT 5 functions and browser. This is the prompt that find 10 dropshipping products, niche home gadgets with high demand. So in here you will paste your niche. For example, it can be kitchen accessories, it can be pet products. Okay, then which is high demand, low competition in 2025. For each product list, name it will be AliExpress data, price, and the main 3 pain points to solve and viral hoax. And then ChatGPT gave me a very good answer, which is very high professional. Then you can see that the number of the product has changed, and I will show you. Number one product is portable cordless pressure washer, which is named the estimate supplier cost 15, selling price 59. Pain point solved like saves times on outdoor cleaning. TikTok hooks. Number A is watch me clean this muddy bike in 20 seconds. Okay, so in here 10 products he gave me. It needs a lot of time, that's why I only read the first one. Then I have searched this product name. Okay, this is the product. I am very surprised that this product is really low competition and very high potential demand. Okay, and yes, 100% true, this ChatGPT 5 gave me this product, which is very essential, and it has in the market, it has a lot of demand. So you can see that GPT-5 is very updated, and it's truly, you cannot believe that how much results, professional result he gave me. Okay, and so what you should to do, just you use GPT-5 and just basic prompt you just give him. Okay, for example, in here you can give him that find trending 10 products, which is clothing niche or which is pet niche, and which is will be 2025, because you have to follow the trend, the timing. Then GPT-5 will research it more deeply, and he will give you 100% very good result, because previous GPT was very low, slow reply. The result was not 100% accurate. Okay, he just gave a robotic result. Okay, but it is very humanistic result. And then I will show you what benefits you will get from the ChatGPT 5. Okay, so GPT-5 will make dropshipping fastest, cheapest, and easiest. Your dropshipping business will be more fastest, more cheapest, more easy. It's very true. Number 2 is GPT will integrate with Shopify like product, ad, content creation, pricing. Yes, 100%, because this GPT-5 will integrate with the Shopify store, and it can be add your product, content creation, pricing, product description, everything. Just you will give him a simple prompt, he will do everything. Okay, and next step is it will make your AOV, ad budget, target market, ad creative, everything. So for example, it will integrate with your Meta Ads Manager, TikTok Ads Manager, all ad platform. It will integrate, and it will see where is the problem you need to improve. For example, if your ad budget has some less, he will tell you you have to increase the ad budget, then you will get more ROAS, and your CPC, your CPM, everything will be changed. Okay, everything. I mean, as a professional marketer, he will help you. And number 4 is find reliable supplier. Yes, I am a reliable supplier. I am working with 6 years, and I know where is the problem to help the dropshipper and how they can get more fulfillment service. And this right now GPT-5 will help you. Okay, so you have no tension. And if you also need fulfillment supplier or everything, just comment below. Okay, I will help you. Number and last things is there 5 is anyway you will find a problem and then solution to scale. Okay, so it will help you to find any way to find the problem and where you need to solve. Okay, if you need to find or change product, then it will help you. If you need to change your hooks, add creative, more winning ads, then it will help you. So overall, this is very big opportunity, my friend. You should use GPT-5 for your every types of dropshipping business. Okay, everything. Okay, product research, stock creation, marketing. Okay, just use this as a basically, then you will see the what result you will get. Okay, thank you, my friend. Just comment below if you need any help. Okay.